at Primark at Piccadilly. I came to show you guys some things that are new in Primark that you can get. So let's just go straight into the video. I don't want to waste your time, so let's just go. I'm already in Primark. I just wanted to do like an intro to let you know I'm here. Guys, look at this cargo, slim fit. 16 pounds
like this. Well, just put
20 pounds. Head warmers. Yeah. How much is this? £3.50.
said what?
Leather trousers for £14. I love the color. It's called chocolate. It's a cream jacket. This is for £25. I love the way it feels like almost leather kind of. And this is the black of it. 25. So this is the black. I like it. It's just a button. And it has pockets. Nice. Look at my eyes. These are the pants. These are like skirt shorts. This is for £12 and it has a blazer. The blazer is for £25. I feel like this is a complete set. Like everyone can get this. Sorry. It's fine.
You take a picture that I do that. You do.
So cute. Skirts, £10. Oh my god, look at this. This is the bralette, the pants. Like it's a matching set. It's how much? £8. This is so cute. It's small and cute. Look at the skirt. It's so cute. You can wear this. Oh my god. I love this jacket. I love it. It has this fur here. Thick fur. It's for £28. This is a jean one. I can't find my size for this jean. I'm so disappointed. And I like it. Still 23. This is the black of it. So this is Primark beauty section. So we have this. This is a bath salt. And look at this cute. Cute. I have a lot of them here, like different colors. And pick from. What's this one? Really beautiful. Seriously, there are lots of bath bombs here. So there are a lot of them. Plenty to choose from. There's so much. Really cute. Oh, this is so Christmassy. Look at this. Oh, that's broken. This is leaves. It's so cute, honestly. I have some body washes and bath bomb. So this is watermelon fresh, coconut crush, mango madness. Wow, I like that name. You can see their prices. This is £2.50. Fragrance smoothie. That's smoothie. A lot of things here that I'm loving. What's this? Nice. And you have some sheet masks. Smoothie, refresh, smoothie. Different kind of sheet masks. £1 for the sheet mask. This is a fragrance set. I didn't know Primark had fragrance sets. I can't really open them, but so they are different fragrances. They're just like body sprays, I think so. So these are the different ones. They won't be bad. £4. They won't be bad. They have like basically hairpins and all. So this is like under the beauty section in Primark, which is nice. There are lots of things. I cannot even show everything, but there are lots of things. So you can always check them out. See? Body serum. Wow. Hair masks. Facial brushes. What is this? Cairo glue. Oh, I think I've seen this on TikTok before. Like they just use it and rub on their faces. I don't know. And we have some lip products. £4 each. This is a perfume and a perfume atomizer. So you could just use the small. You could use this thing to like dispense your perfume and put it inside your travel bag. That's what that basically does. Yeah. There's some nice cute things here. Like the denim area, denim and trouser area. Look at this denim. I like it. I think I'm going to get it for £17. Just a straight cut denim. I like this one. Look at some cargo this. Pants. This one is small shop. This is for 18. Let's check their bigger sizes. Okay, I can see 16, but I can't find a size here. This is red. All these are cargo pants. This is black. This is for 20 pounds. Some cargo pants. This is the pink. This is the brown. Feels very light. I don't like the way it feels at all. It doesn't even have any single weight. Let me check the price. £22. I feel like this is it's too expensive for £22. I don't know, but I just feel like that. Given the quality, I don't like the way it feels. It's too. I feel like it's for the summer, not winter, because it doesn't have any single weight to it. But if you want to get it, it's fine. Okay guys, look at this. This coat is for £38. At the color. So they said the shower resistant. Still, this is another color, but the same thing. Comes with a hoodie. This is another hoodie. They're like skinny joggers. They are all for £6. They have different colors here. I love this burnt orange and green. Here's the ox blood. They are all for £6. These are other colors of the same joggers. These are another set of joggers, but they have like, these ones have pockets here. These ones are, okay, let's check. £12, while these ones are £10. These ones don't have pockets, but these ones have pockets, and they have different colors. So this is the purple. This is how much? £15. It's like a sweater dress. So let me show you. It's really long and it has like this sweater feel inside. Can you see it? I like it. This set, like, they are not long sleeve, short sleeve. So these are for £15. £15 each, but I feel like these are small coats. So they come in different colors. So we have this one, like olive green. My phone is not doing justice to this color. This is not the actual color. It's like green, like grass green, not this kind of bluish green. I don't know why my camera is showing this kind of green. That's how it looks. It's first for extra large. Let's see how much. 22 pounds. Okay. It's not bad. Okay. These are leggings. Fuchsia pink. This is what it's called. Yeah. These leggings are for £10 each. But it's under the workout side. Okay. It feels a bit thick though. No, but I don't really like the color, so it's a no for me. But look at this set. The sweatshirt and the pants come together in some bags, some caps. There's the bodysuit there. The sweatshirt is £10 and this is £10 too. I have something like this, so I won't even think of getting this. It has pockets, which is good.
Okay love, so thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.